We're coming to you on Urban Debate with breaking news. 5 people have been killed in a massive fire which has broken out in a hospital in Mumbai in the Andheri area earlier this evening. 142 people have been rescued so far. We understand the fire has been brought under control, but not before 10 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Now, the cause of the fire is still unknown, though the fire department has confirmed that the hospital did not have the fire NOC or an occupation certificate. We also understand that the fire alarms did not go off, and there's now reason to believe that there was not enough fire safety equipment in the building. Now, this is a ground floor plus 4, so that's 5 floors of a hospital that is now being evacuated with zero safety. The thing we must understand about this hospital is that it's owned by the government. This was a hospital that was built and was meant for government servants and their families for treatment. Shocking state of affairs. If it didn't have a fire alarm, it didn't have any fire equipment at all whatsoever, and it didn't even have an NOC. This is how responsible the government is with our lives. And this is not just a story about one hospital in Mumbai. This is a story about every hospital that you and I might walk into. Remember, the worst part about a hospital being on fire and needing to be evacuated is that people cannot get up and run. And even if they were to be able to get off and run, we understand that there were no clear exits in this hospital at all. My colleague Sandhya, standing outside that hospital, is live with us right now. Sandhya, if you could tell us, we understand that members of the government are now beginning to visit. Who owns this hospital? Is it the Maharashtra government or is it the BMC?
Faye, this particular hospital is a state-run hospital, and in fact the Health Minister of Maharashtra, Deepak Sawant, also almost 20 minutes ago he entered the hospital from this particular entrance, because that's that one entrance which is actually, according to the people who were the bystanders, told us that how this is the only entrance, and that's why even when they tried to help the people out here, they faced challenges. Health Minister has gone inside. In fact, the BMC chief, the BMC mayor of the city is also, he also visited the spot. But right now we are being joined by Ratna Prabha. She works in the hospital phase. She is a part of the cleaning staff. रत्न प्रभा जी, आप इस अस्पताल में काम करते हो. जब आग लगी थी तब आप शिफ्ट पे थे या आप घर जा चुके थे? तब
घर जाते थे.
तो ये हॉस्पिटल की आप मुझे थोड़ी कंडीशन समझा सकते हैं कि कितने माले हैं, रास्ते के बारे में, एग्जिट वगैरह सुविधा?
5 माले तक हॉस्पिटल है बेटा, है 5 माले तक, 5 माले तक है. पर 5 माले में बाद में उसके बिना कुछ सुविधा नहीं था. ये विलासराव देशमुख आया ना, इसके बारे में सब पूरा आपने.
लेकिन ये आप मुझे समझा सकें कि आग को बुझाने को लेकर रास्ते कितने हैं बाहर निकलने के लिए, कितनी ग्रिल्स वगैरह लगे हैं?
एक ही रास्ता है, एक ही रास्ता है, बाद में ज्यादा रास्ता नहीं है इधर, एक ही रास्ता है.
और फायर अलार्म वगैरह आपको कभी कुछ पता है? फायर अलार्म कभी सुना हो आपने?
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं बेटा.
Ask her if she's worked in the hospital.
दिखते हैं अंदर आग बुझाने के?
नहीं.
वो जो लाल कलर के सिलेंडर?
नहीं बेटा.
आपने कितने टाइम काम किया है हॉस्पिटल में, कब से?
30 साल हुआ बेटा
इसी हॉस्पिटल में.
हाँ, 30 साल में ऐसा हॉस्पिटल में नहीं था. क्या होता था बेटा, अच्छा हॉस्पिटल था. इधर का चार रास्ते था, 4 रास्ते.
लेकिन अभी नहीं है,
एक ही रास्ता.
इनफैक्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी आर एक्चुअली ऑल्सो जॉइंड बाय सम लोकल पीपल. सर, मुझे आपसे पूछना है, आप जो थे, आप लोगों ने ये बचाव कार्य में मदद की थी, आप मुझे थोड़ा समझा सकें अस्पताल के रास्तों के बारे में, क्या क्या दिक्कत आप लोगों ने जब कोशिश की मदद?
दिक्कत क्या है, पीछे का पूरा सुविधा बंद है, मेन डोर है, ठीक है. जो फायर ब्रिगेड का अलार्म रहता है वो तो फिलहाल में है ही नहीं सुविधा. अभी कौन से भी हॉस्पिटल में फायर ब्रिगेड का अलार्म होता ही है, तो इधर सुविधा नहीं है. और पहली बात मेन रोड है, और मेन रोड वो पीछे का खुला रहता तो किसी को कुछ नहीं होता. अब तक बताया जा रहा 5 जन का डेथ हो गए, तो इसके ये कारण है कि जो मेन डोर है बंद है, डेथ हो गए यहाँ पे. तो पहले माले पे जाके जो तोड़ बीड़ के हम निकाले पेशेंट को, अब तक जितना हो सके उतना. अभी अंदर बता नहीं सकते अभी कितने क्या है, अभी पूरा धुआं से भरा हुआ है.
कितने बजे आप लोगों को पता लगा और आपने क्या किया?
एग्जैक्टली 3:30 बजे की बात है. एग्जैक्टली 3:30 बजे की बात है. जब पता लगा तो जब जाके सीढ़ी बीड़ी, और एक लेडीज जो 4थे माले से उड़ी खाई है, उसका कुछ हालत बोल नहीं सकते अभी तक कितना मतलब हो गया है. तो आधे लोग को इधर भेजा गया कुपर, आधे लोग को 7 हिल भेजा गया, आधे लोग को इधर होली में भेजा गया.
आपने कैसे हेल्प किया?
यहाँ पे सब मतलब यहाँ पे एक ही दरवाजे आने के लिए आज 2-3 लेडीज ऊपर से कूदी थी खिड़की तोड़ के, और अलार्म भी नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ सुविधा नहीं हॉस्पिटल में. एक ही दरवाजे जाने के लिए आने के लिए। अभी इमरजेंसी डोर तो चाहिए, 2 इमरजेंसी डोर, इमरजेंसी खिड़की भी नहीं, इमरजेंसी डोर भी नहीं है यहाँ पे।
आपने शायद कुछ विंडो या ग्रिल वगैरह कुछ तोड़ने की कोशिश की?
मैंने सारे विंडो तोड़ दिए मैडम, बैक साइड के। जब हम अंदर गए ना, तो क्योंकि वो धुएं को पास होने के लिए जगह ही नहीं था, तो उसके लिए हमने क्या करना पड़ा, जितने विंडो थे सब विंडो तोड़ दिए हमने। आईसीयू के विंडो तोड़े, जितने विंडो हमें दिखे
ICU में
सामने
कितने
सारे
patients
विंडो तोड़ के हमने वो हम क्या सोचे कि वो पूरा धुआं बाहर निकल जाए और क्लियर दिखे।
आईसीयू में आप पहुंच पाए थे क्या? और आईसीयू में कुछ पता सकते हैं अंदाजतन आपको कितने पेशेंट्स दिखे?
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था।
और क्या आप आईसीयू तक पहुंच पाए?
हाँ, हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था।
आप निकाल पाए आईसीयू
एक
से
औरत
पेशेंट?
वहाँ से भाग के आई, उसका इतना फट गया, उसको दिख रहा ही नहीं था। तो
Acha. So he is actually trying to show us the video where the woman, she tried to escape from you can see she tried to escape from the windows, and one entrance door is that one problem to which these local people and also one of the employee focused on, that how there was only one there's only one entrance and exit to the hospital, and that's exactly how people were trying to escape. That was their escape route, and these were the local people who helped the rescue teams,
Sandhya,
the fire
do
department
they-
teams
do they
to
remember-
rescue people. There were total 10 fire tenders.
See, there are a couple of specific problems when there's a fire in a hospital, Sandhya. The first problem is, of course, oxygen cylinders that could explode. The second is people who aren't able to get up and run or get up and walk. And the third is small children. And we did see one visual of someone running with a really tiny baby. Could you ask the people who were in the hospital trying to rescue patients if they saw how many patients were being removed? Were there enough stretchers and gurneys to remove those people? And how they were handling, when he talks about the smoke inhalation, were there enough staff members of the hospital there helping with the evacuation and moving people out?
सर, एक और चीज मुझे आप लोगों से पूछनी थी। अस्पताल की जब बात होती है तो आईसीयू में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो उठ भी नहीं सकते, बच्चे होते हैं, तो क्या आप लोगों को ऐसे पेशेंट्स भी दिखे?
मैडम, वैसे पेशेंट थे, हमने उसको बैक साइड के दरवाजे से वो खोल दिया था उन्होंने।
स्ट्रेचर वगैरह यूज
हाँ, स्ट्रेचर से ही बैक साइड के दरवाजे से नीचे एम्बुलेंस आ रही थी, जब हमने उसको उसमें बिठा के भेज दिया।
क्या आपको लगा सर स्ट्रेचर्स आपको आसपास सफिशिएंट दिखे कि नहीं? क्या हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ था आपको डायरेक्ट करने के लिए कि कहाँ से आप जा सकते हैं, कहाँ से नहीं?
नहीं, वहाँ का जो पीछे का कोई भी नहीं था, पीछे का जो बैक साइड खुला कोई नहीं था। जो हमारी पब्लिक पहले पहुँची, और जो फायर ब्रिगेड की बात रही, फायर ब्रिगेड जो जाने को भी रेडी नहीं थी, और अभी आई जो एम्बुलेंस 1-1.5 घंटा लेट थी, ठीक है। और पीछे का जो सुविधा रहता, खुला रहता, तो किसी को कुछ नुकसान नहीं होता ना, अभी तक कुछ ये संतुष्ट नहीं होता।
मैडम, जितने डॉक्टर हैं उनको मैं दिल से बहुत धन्यवाद कहता हूँ कि वो 24 घंटा हमारे साथ थे, और कोई पेशेंट हम लोग लेके आ रहे तो उनको ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे थे। ये हॉस्पिटल के जो भी डॉक्टर हैं, मैं उनको दिल से
फर्स्ट एड दे रहे थे बेसिकली।
हाँ, दे रहे थे। वो हमारे साथ ही थे डॉक्टर, हमें भी गाइड कर रहे थे कि ये पेशेंट इधर लेके आइए, उनको देखिए, फिर उनको आईसीयू में डालना, उनको वैन में डालना, उनको वैन में बिठा के लेके जाना।
Okay, Sandhya, for a second, I'm going to have to interrupt you because we have MV Ugale, the Deputy Fire Officer of MIDC. This is the place where the fire actually happened. He's on the phone line with us. Mr. Ugale, thank you for joining us. Quick question to you. Did this hospital have the fire approvals that it needs in order to function? Can you tell us what the status was of the approvals for this hospital?
As far as the new building is concerned,
Yes.
the hospital administration has obtained provisional fire approval from my department,
Yes.
commencement certificate from my building proposal department of MIDC. Okay, and the building for which we have cleared the approval is not yet occupied. That is still empty.
What about the
And the
building?
present-
Yes, please go ahead.
Position is
Yes.
fire is completely extinguished. All the trapped occupants are successfully removed out, and now the cooling down operations are going on.
Would you be able to tell us, Mr. Ugale, if the evacuation has also been complete, if all patients have been moved out of the hospital?
Yes.
And we now understand that 5 people have lost their lives in this fire, but is it likely that more people might succumb to their injuries, or is this the final number?
I am on fire ground. As of now, I do not have any authorized figure about the death. So, no comment.
And Mr. Ugale, we understand that this hospital did not have a fire alarm and it did not have fire safety equipment in any of the floors. Is that true?
That is not correct.
That's not correct. Could you tell us what the status is of the fire safety equipment inside the hospital?
Status is that they have installed hydrants, sprinklers, detectors, hose reels, extinguisher. Everything is in place, and fire pumps are in operation.
And did any of these equipment, was the equipment activated during the fire?
Yes.
Because eyewitnesses tell us that it was not activated and the ICU was full of smoke.
No comments.
No comments. All right. Would you also be able to tell us, Mr. Ogale, how many entries or fire exits did this hospital have? Because, again, eyewitnesses who were there to help tell us there was only one entry and exit and people were jumping out of the windows.
Which is not correct.
Could you tell us what the correct status is then?
What you want to know about?
Was there a fire exit or was there only one entry and exit?
Yes, no, it is not correct information.
Okay.
There are 5 to 6 staircases for both the buildings,
Okay.
which are connected with each other through the ramps. So only one exit is provided is not correct.
But I'm given to understand that the staircases were locked. Is that true?
No idea.
No idea. Have you begun an investigation into these matters?
Hold on.
Yes.
You are asking about the lock.
Yes.
It was not locked. The fact was, the building behind was
Yes.
under construction
Yes.
and it was not yet ready to occupation. So to prevent unauthorized entry, somewhere the entries were locked and those were from new building to old building. It is not that for the existing building exits or entries were blocked or locked.
So did
Whatever information you got about
Yes.
the closure of doors was from new building to old building.
Okay, so you can confirm to us that the patients in the current occupied building had easy access to the fire exits and the staircases?
Yes.
Okay, and you can confirm that all fire equipment was working and in good condition?
Yes.
And if this NOC was only a provisional NOC given in 2009, did the fire department review this NOC at any point?
Yes, 15 days before.
15 days ago, okay.
15 days before, and there were some observations in the installed system. So, this fire department of MIDC rejected their application for final NOC and informed them to comply with the provisions of norms. This is a story of just 15 days before. So, the rectification work in proposed new building was going on.
So in your opinion right now, or in the opinion of the fire department, MIDC, this hospital did not have adequate fire equipment because you had rejected their application 15 days ago.
I never said that it is not having adequate. Newly installed equipment, there were some faults or some errors in installation which they were informed to rectify. But whatever system was installed was in operation.
Was in operation. So you believe this hospital was fire safe?
When I checked 15 days before, it was in operation.
Okay. So Mr. Ogale, as the Deputy Fire Officer of MIDC, you believe this hospital was fire safe?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Mr. Ogale, could you give us an update of how many people have been evacuated out of the hospital and which hospitals they've been moved to?
That is yet to ascertain.
Okay. All right. Mr. Ogale, Deputy Fire Officer of MIDC, on the phone line with us, telling us that he believes the building or the hospital was fire safe and all of the equipment was working. In fact, here is a soundbite from Vishwanath Mahadeshwar, the mayor of Mumbai, as he visited the hospital not too long ago.
मिळेल म्हणून त्याची संपूर्ण चौकशीच करावी लागेल. नेमकं कशामुळे ती आग लागली आहे, त्याचं कारण काय आहे, त्याच्या संबंधामध्ये MIDCने खरोखर काही चुकीच्या गोष्टी केल्या होत्या का दृष्टिकोनातून, त्या बाबतीत आपल्याला सखोल चौकशी करावी लागेल. महापालिकेने तर पूर्ण जबाबदारी उचलली. आमचे जवान तर शर्तीने इथे प्रयत्न करून सगळ्यांना बाहेर काढलं आणि महापालिकेचं आमचं हॉस्पिटल सज्ज आहेत. ते सगळी आमची हॉस्पिटल सगळ्यांना सूचना देण्यात आलेल्या आहेत. प्रत्येक पेशंटला चांगली ट्रीटमेंट त्या ठिकाणी देण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न करतोय. का मुंबई महापालिकेचा आरोग्य विभाग अधिक चांगल्या पद्धतीने काम करत आहे. जवळजवळ 4च्या दरम्यान इथे आग लागली होती. लेवल 4ची आग होती. मोठ्या प्रमाणावर धूर पसरला होता. धुरामुळे अनेक या ठिकाणचे जे बेड रिटर्न पेशंट्स होते आणि पेशंट्सना भेटण्यासाठी त्यांचे नातेवाईक आले होते आणि इथला जो स्टाफ होता तो गुदमरल्यासारखी स्थिती झाली. अनेक जे जवळजवळ 108 110 एवढे जे रुग्ण आहेत इथले आणि जे स्टाफ होता त्यांना वेगवेगळ्या हॉस्पिटल्समध्ये पाठवलं आहे आणि महापालिकेच्या हॉस्पिटल काही खाजगी हॉस्पिटल्समध्ये पाठवलं आहे. तिथे त्यांच्यावरती उपचार सुरू आहे. बाकीचं कारण समजू शकलेलं नाही आहे, त्याची चौकशी केली जाईल.
Well, just to give you an update, viewers, the death toll has now risen to 6 people from this hospital. And remember, this was a hospital owned by and run by the Maharashtra government for government employees and their family members. These people have now, we understand, people have now been moved to Cooper Hospital. If you're looking for your loved ones, these are the hospitals in which they have been relocated. Cooper Hospital, Andheri West. 19 people have been relocated. 2 were brought dead condition. Of the 17 still awaited, we don't have information. P. Thackeray Hospital, Trauma, Jogeshwari East. 39 patients have been relocated to this hospital. 22 admitted, 17 discharged. Holy Spirit Hospital, Andheri East. 40 people, condition awaited. We don't have an update just yet. Seven Hills Hospital, Andheri East. 44 people were moved to that hospital. 3 have been declared dead. 33 admitted, 6 in the ICU. 2 have been discharged. Hirandani Hospital, Powai. 3 have been moved to that hospital, 2 in ICU, 1 has been discharged. Siddharth Hospital, Goregaon, 2 have been moved to that hospital. They've both been admitted into the hospital, and we understand that they have now been declared stable. We now know that 6 people have died in this fire and 100 people have been rescued so far. Sandhya still is with us. Sandhya, here's the thing. We just had a conversation with a fire officer who says, first of all, the building was fire safe. All of the equipment was working, that the sprinkler system and the fire alarm system was working as well, and there were multiple exits. He said 6 exits for the patients to be evacuated into. Now, this is completely contrary to what the eyewitnesses are telling you, Sandhya.
Absolutely, Faye, because the eyewitnesses who actually were a part of the rescue operation, who actually helped the rescue teams to continue with the operation, they told us that how there is only one entrance, and this is that place from where the patients enter the hospital and exit also. That's exactly why it took so long for many people to first enter the hospital to conduct the rescue operation. Sir, जो officers हैं वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे 6 exits हैं, fire exits हैं proper. आपने देखा है यहाँ पे, आप क्या बोलेंगे उस बारे में?
मैडम, आप ही से ही यहाँ की सिक्योरिटी ने बात किया कि अमल बसता नहीं है, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ उसमें? आपसे खुद ही तो आपसे बात किया ना, जब आग लगी तो आपने पूछा ना कि वो बजा क्या नहीं, उन्होंने क्या कहा? नहीं बोला, तो मैं क्या कह सकता?
दरवाजे के बारे में आप बताएं हमें।
दरवाजे सब मैडम ये
कह रहे 6 एग्जिट्स हैं यहाँ पे, 6 दरवाजे हैं निकलने के लिए बाहर।
नहीं, फिलहाल तो एक ही था जब हम लोग गए थे, अभी खोल दिए होगे तो भरोसा नहीं। जब भी हम लोग गए थे कहाँ भी था?
तो एक ही था वो भी हम लोग
है। तो मैडम 6 दरवाजे थे, तो हमने फर्स्ट फ्लोर तोड़ के अंदर क्यों घुसा? जब 6 दरवाजे थे तो हम लोग फर्स्ट फ्लोर से तोड़ के अंदर क्यों घुसे?
सर, आपके हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ से
नहीं, नो, आई एम फ्रॉम 108 एम्बुलेंस डीवीजी।
सर, आपने भी देखा?
साथ में।
अरे हम लोग तो 3:30-4 बजे इधर ही है। हम लोग तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे पूरा कितना कांच तोड़ के कितने पब्लिक को किसी को दिख रहा नहीं था, मतलब क्या सामने आ रहा तो उसको लग रहा ऐसा वैसा।
सरकारी ऑफिसर हमारे चैनल पे लाइव बोल रहे हैं कि 6 दरवाजे हैं आग लगी उस वक्त निकलने के लिए, एग्जिट के लिए 6 एग्जिट।
6 होंगे 10 होंगे, लेकिन कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा था, सब बंद था। तो हम लोग तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर से सब निकाल रहे थे। ये भाई कितने लोग थे, पब्लिक थे, सब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर जाके कैसे तोड़ के 4th फ्लोर से आईसीयू में थे, मेन आईसीयू का प्रॉब्लम था, कैसे करके तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे लाया।
आईसीयू के साथ कैसे डील किया सर आपने, कैसे लाया आप लोगों को?
मतलब सब ऊपर गए, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे लाए, फर्स्ट फ्लोर से कैसे सीढ़ी से लगा के वो लोग को एम्बुलेंस सब खड़ा किए थे, फटाफट लोग को भेजा हॉस्पिटल।
छोटे बच्चे भी यहाँ पे इस अस्पताल में थे, आपको कहीं दिखे? आपने उनके साथ कैसे डील?
मैडम, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था, आग के सामने एकदम ब्लैंक था। जो हाथ में आ रहा था हम उसको खींच के फर्स्ट फ्लोर उतार के फर्स्ट फ्लोर से नीचे सीढ़ी से उतार रहे थे। जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना टीवी पे लाइव बैठे हैं, उनको उस टाइम पे तो हमें टाइम नहीं मिला कि वीडियो बनाए, तो उस टाइम पे वीडियो बनाते, और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत जन ने बनाया भी है शायद, और आपको बाद में मालूम पड़ ही जाएगा कि सच क्या है झूठ क्या है। 6 दरवाजे इंट्रेस होते तो इतना होता ही नहीं, तो हमें फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे सीढ़ी लगा के विंडो तोड़ के अंदर घुसने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती।
सर, आप जो हैं फे, वी आर ऑल्सो बीइंग जॉइंड बाय अ ट्रैफिक वार्डन। सर, आप मुझे ये बताएं हरिदास जी कि आप कितना दूर पोस्टेड थे यहाँ से?
मैडम, यहाँ से मैं 1 किलोमीटर आगे था, वहाँ जितना ट्रैफिक हो गया था हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था किधर क्या हुआ है, तो बाद में मालूम पड़ा हमारे को आग लगा है बोल के। फिर हम लोगों ने एक साइड बंद कर दिया पूरा, एक साइड से गाड़ी चालू किया, फिर जितना एम्बुलेंस आता था वो हम लोग एक साइड से निकल के दिए।
अच्छा, क्या आपको ऊपर से ठीक ठाक इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे कि आपको कौन सी रोड खोलनी है या कौन सी बंद करनी है ताकि एम्बुलेंसेस को जाने में तकलीफ नहीं हो?
नहीं, हमारे सीनियर ने जो बोला था हमारे को एक साइड बंद कर दो, एक साइड चालू रख दो। उसमें से डाउट कर दिया आधा आधा, और एक साइड बंद करके एक साइड में पूरा हॉस्पिटल का।
ट्रैफिक की प्रॉब्लम हुई थी सर?
छोड़ दिया।
ट्रैफिक की प्रॉब्लम हुई थी यहाँ पे एम्बुलेंस को आने में?
ट्रैफिक की तो प्रॉब्लम यहाँ से हो गई थी, लेकिन उधर से हम लोग आगे जैसा हमारे को मालूम पड़ा आग लग गई है, तो हम लोग सब 3-3, 4-4 आदमी डाइट हो गए।
Absolutely. So, Faye, one thing which these local people are focusing on, that how when they went inside the hospital and tried to rescue the people, they could see only one entrance and exit. So they are saying that if there are 6 exits in the hospital, they are not aware of those exits, because those exits, if the exits are there, they were not open. There was no exit way to that. And apart from that, the fire alarm thing about which the gentleman is talking, we managed to speak to one of the security guard who works with the hospital. He told us that how initially they couldn't, the first sentence which he said, that how he couldn't hear any fire alarm. When we specifically asked him, is there proper alarm system, the fire alarm system in the hospital, to which he declined that yes, that there is no fire alarm system in the hospital. That's that one security guard said. After that, the local administration did not let us speak to him. But as far as the people are concerned, they are focusing on the fact that when they tried to help with the rescue operations, only one entrance and exit was that one passage. Only with the help of that one passage, they could do anything. Apart from that, the windows and the ladders came to their rescue.
All right, Sandhya, thank you for bringing us that update. Sandhya will remain live at the hospital in MIDC in Andheri to give you a quick recap of everything we have so far. If you've just tuned in, 6 people have died now in the hospital fire in Mumbai. This is a hospital in Andheri. We understand that this is ESIC hospital in Andheri. 8 fire tenders were dispatched. The firefighting, we understand, is now under control. It's a massive fire that broke out earlier this evening. 142 people have been rescued. The fire has been brought under control. We understand now that 6 people have died, although we don't understand what the cause of that fire is. The patients have been moved and injured people have been relocated to Cooper Hospital, Andheri West, Thackeray Hospital, Jogeshwari, Holy Spirit Hospital, Andheri East, Seven Hills Hospital, Andheri East, Hirandani Hospital, Powai, and Siddharth Hospital, Goregaon. If you're looking for your loved ones or a patient who might have been at the ESIC hospital, then these are the 4 hospitals that they may have been moved to. We understand that 5 people have died so far. Among the injured is 1 doctor and 1 fire safety officer. Now, there are conflicting reports. The people on ground, when the fire broke out, who assisted in evacuating patients, who went in, broke the windows, we understand, and allowed the smoke to exit because the ICU was full of smoke and people were suffocating. Those people tell us that the fire alarm did not go off and they couldn't find any fire equipment. They also tell us that there was only 1 entry and exit, and that caused a massive problem. But the fire safety officer who spoke to us on the phone, apart from saying no comment several times to several questions, also said that he believes the building was fire safe and there was no problem with it. Now, the thing we have to remember about this entire fire is that it took place in a government-owned and a government-run hospital. I also want to note that what the eyewitnesses have told us is that the doctors in the hospital really put their lives at risk in order to save as many patients as possible, and for that we really do thank them.